Hello everyone, my name is Alistair Royan. I'm the Regional Recruitment Coordinator for Loyalist College Canada for India and Asia. Loyalist College is located in the Ontario province by the beautiful Bay of Quinte region in a city called Belleville. We're a government funded public institution established in the year 1967. In fact, Loyalist College offers about 70 plus full time programs with both diploma as well as PG diploma options. We at Loyalist are very, very happy to have partnered with Canam Consultants close to a decade now. Canam is one of our top agents who have always sent us qualitative students with extremely great academic credentials. So, why choose Canam Consultants to apply to us? In fact, they make the application process for both the students and us clear, easy, and effective. So, for you students, Canam is a great agent to choose your path for studies in Canada and with us at Loyalist. So I would prefer to meet you all in person at the events in the hotels. In case you're unable to visit in person, you could connect with me on the virtual format in room number 60 from the 7th to the 18th of September on a date and time slot convenient to you. So thank you so much for tuning in today, and we hope to welcome you all and see you all soon. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.